started in Flora AI, which is a platform that combines all different language models, image generation models, and video models. And that allows you to create a big variety quite quickly. We had created a prompt that would instruct the AI to make a mono-material shell that would have a different geometry in the front than the back, so that you would get interesting shapes and silhouettes that you could only do with 3D printing. And here you see indeed the big difference in results and approach of the different AI models. In the end, we landed on this one here, which we really liked. However, heels are not very ideal for 3D printing. You might need to have reinforcement inside. So we instructed the model that had created that shoe to make it flat. And then we instructed it to make it from different angles so that we could then take it to a 3D AI to make a printable shoe. And for that purpose, we also asked it to create the last shape for this model from all angles so that we could use that should the 3D model not be fully hollow. Then we made this into a real quick 3D model using a free application, and as you can see, it comes out very clean, even already hollow on the inside. So in some cases we don't necessarily need to subtract a last unless you feel it needs to have a little bit more left to right difference, or you want to check fit more properly. Of course, that you would then have to do. Then we took the model into a different application, Surface Studio, that allows you to add textures. So try different things on the bottom of the sole. There's a ton of different ones that you can choose from. You can also make them yourself. So here was one with triangles that I made myself in AI. You can also do that. Don't really like it on this shoe. In the end, chose a simple one just to give some grip, just for an example. And now we can go into the slicer and get this printed.